Hi everyone, and welcome back to Gear and Grips. If you're a fan of raw speed, Italian craftsmanship, and top-down thrills, you're going to love today's spotlight, the stunning 2026 Ferrari 488 Spider in Rosso Corsa Red. Buckle up, because this isn't just a car, it's a statement. The Ferrari 488 Spider has always been a symbol of performance and elegance, and in its 2026 form, it's even more refined, aggressive, and technologically advanced. The Rosso Corsa Red paint isn't just a color, it's Ferrari's heritage splashed across a sculpted, aerodynamic body that's engineered for both beauty and brutal performance. Every line, every vent, every curve is functional, chiseled by the wind and perfected in Ferrari's wind tunnel. Under the hood, you'll find a beast waiting to be unleashed, a 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that now delivers a jaw-dropping 720 horsepower and 770 Nm of torque. That's enough to launch the 488 Spider from 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.8 seconds, with a top speed of over 330 km/h. The power delivery is immediate, explosive, and yet so refined, thanks to Ferrari's reworked variable torque management system that ensures torque is unleashed smoothly and progressively. But the Spider isn't just about straight-line speed. The 2026 version comes equipped with the latest Side Slip Control 7.0, an advanced traction and stability system that allows drivers to push the car closer to its limits while staying in total control. Combined with Ferrari's adaptive suspension and ultra-precise steering, the 488 Spider dances through corners like a ballet performer on fire. Now, let's talk about the retractable hardtop. It takes just 14 seconds to fold away, even while you're moving at speeds up to 45 km/h. With the roof down, the V8's soundtrack becomes your personal symphony. Every upshift pops, every downshift crackles, and the engine roars like a lion with every tap of the throttle. Step inside, and you're greeted with a driver-focused cockpit lined with premium materials, carbon fiber, hand-stitched leather, and aluminum accents. The steering wheel houses most of the driving controls, including the iconic Manettino dial, letting you switch between driving modes like wet, sport, race, and even ESC off for the truly brave. The seats are supportive yet comfortable, perfect for both a track day or a long weekend getaway on the coast. The infotainment system has been updated for 2026 as well, featuring improved voice controls, a sharper display, and seamless smartphone integration. But let's be honest, when you're behind the wheel of a 488 Spider, your eyes won't be on the screen. They'll be glued to the road and your ears will be tuned to the roar of that V8. And yes, performance and beauty come at a price. The 2026 Ferrari 488 Spider starts at approximately $325,000, but with options like carbon fiber trim, upgraded wheels, racing seats, and of course, the iconic Rosso Corsa paint, it's not hard to see that price climb closer to $380,000. So, is it worth it? If you crave speed, passion, and driving excitement wrapped in one of the most recognizable designs in automotive history, then absolutely. The 2026 Ferrari 488 Spider isn't just a car, it's an experience that stirs the soul every time you press the start button. That's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more exotic car content, and drop a comment below telling us what you'd do if you had a Ferrari 488 Spider for a day. Thanks for watching Gear and Grips, and I'll catch you in the next ride.